Introduction. Welcome to our journey through the best places to visit in the USA. From the bustling streets of New York City to the serene landscapes of the Grand Canyon, the United States is a treasure trove of iconic destinations waiting to be explored. Each state offers its own unique charm, showcasing a rich tapestry of cultures, histories, and natural wonders. Imagine standing in awe at the majestic peaks of the Rocky Mountains or soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of New Orleans during Mardi Gras. In this video, we'll take you on an engaging and informative travel experience, highlighting must-see spots that cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or someone looking to relax on a beautiful beach, there's something for everyone. We'll explore diverse landscapes, from the lush forests of the Pacific Northwest to the sun-kissed shores of Florida. So, pack your bags and get ready to discover the incredible variety that the USA has to offer. Join us as we dive into the best places to visit, ensuring your next adventure is unforgettable. National Parks. Nature's wonders. America's national parks are truly nature's wonders, showcasing breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems that captivate visitors from around the globe. Take Yellowstone National Park, for example, the first national park in the world, renowned for its geothermal features like the iconic Old Faithful geyser and vibrant hot springs. Here, you can hike through stunning trails, camp under the stars, and witness wildlife such as bison and grizzly bears in their natural habitat. Then there's Yosemite National Park, famous for its towering granite cliffs, including the majestic El Capitan and Half Dome. This park offers a plethora of outdoor activities, from rock climbing to serene walks along the Merced River. The stunning waterfalls, especially during the spring melt, create a picturesque backdrop for any adventure. As we explore these incredible parks, it's essential to emphasize the importance of appreciating and protecting these natural treasures. By engaging in responsible outdoor activities and respecting wildlife, we can ensure that future generations will also have the opportunity to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of America's national parks. So, lace up your hiking boots and get ready to immerse yourself in the wonders of nature. Urban adventures. City highlights. Get ready to dive into the vibrant urban adventures that await you in some of America's most exciting cities. First up is New York City, a bustling metropolis known for its iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and Central Park. The city is a cultural melting pot, offering world-class museums such as the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Museum of Modern Art. Don't forget to indulge in local cuisine, from classic New York pizza to gourmet food trucks. Next, we head to Los Angeles, the entertainment capital of the world. Here, you can stroll along the Hollywood Walk of Fame, visit the Griffith Observatory for stunning views, and explore the trendy neighborhoods of Santa Monica and Venice Beach. The diverse food scene, featuring everything from food trucks to upscale dining, is a must-try for any foodie. Finally, we can't overlook Chicago, known for its stunning architecture and deep-dish pizza. Visit the Art Institute of Chicago, take a stroll along the Magnificent Mile, and enjoy the vibrant music scene. Each city offers a unique urban lifestyle filled with attractions, so pack your bags and get ready to experience the rich culture and entertainment that awaits you. Historical sites. A journey through time. Embark on a captivating journey through America's rich history by visiting significant historical sites that tell the story of our nation. One of the must-see locations is Philadelphia, home to the iconic Liberty Bell. This symbol of freedom and independence resonates deeply with visitors, reminding us of the values that shaped our country. Just a short distance away, Independence Hall stands as a testament to the birth of American democracy, where the Declaration of Independence was debated and adopted. Next, we travel to Washington, D.C., where the National Mall is lined with monuments that honor pivotal figures and events in American history. The Lincoln Memorial, with its towering statue of Abraham Lincoln, serves as a powerful reminder of the fight for equality and justice. The Washington Monument and the Vietnam Veterans Memorial also offer poignant reflections on the sacrifices made for our nation. As we explore these historical sites, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of preserving our history for future generations. By learning about our nation's heritage, we can foster a deeper understanding of who we are and where we come from. So, take the time to visit these remarkable places and connect with the stories that have shaped America. Beach getaways. Sun and sand. If you're dreaming of sun-soaked days and sandy shores, then it's time to explore some of the best beach getaways in the USA. First on our list is Miami Beach, a vibrant destination known for its stunning coastline and lively atmosphere. Here, you can soak up the sun on the famous South Beach, where the turquoise waters invite you to swim and relax. The beach is also a hotspot for water sports, including jet skiing and paddleboarding, making it perfect for those seeking adventure. Next, we head to Malibu, California, where the picturesque beaches offer a more laid-back vibe. With its breathtaking views and iconic surf spots, Malibu is a haven for surfers and sunbathers alike. Enjoy a game of beach volleyball with friends or take a leisurely stroll along the shore, soaking in the stunning sunsets that this coastal paradise has to offer. As you unwind on these beautiful beaches, don't forget to embrace the coastal lifestyle. Whether you're sipping a refreshing drink under an umbrella or enjoying a beach bonfire, these destinations provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and fun. So grab your sunscreen and get ready to make unforgettable memories by the sea. Culinary experiences. A taste of America. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey through the diverse culinary landscape of America. From the vibrant streets of New Orleans to the innovative eateries of San Francisco, each region offers its own unique flavors and specialties. In New Orleans, indulge in classic dishes like gumbo and jambalaya, where Creole and Cajun influences create a rich tapestry of taste. Don't miss the chance to savor beignets at Café du Monde, a true local favorite. Traveling to the West Coast, San Francisco is a food lover's paradise, known for its fresh seafood and farm-to-table dining. Enjoy clam chowder served in a sourdough bread bowl at Fisherman's Wharf or explore the bustling ferry-building marketplace, where artisanal vendors showcase the best of local produce. Throughout the year, food festivals celebrate these regional delights, offering a chance to sample a variety of dishes and meet passionate chefs. Events like the New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival and the San Francisco Street Food Festival highlight the rich culinary traditions that define American cuisine. So, whether you're dining at a local food truck or enjoying a fine dining experience, take the time to savor the incredible flavors that make up the tapestry of American food culture. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of the best places to visit in the USA, it's clear that this vast country offers a remarkable diversity of experiences for every type of traveler. From the breathtaking natural beauty of national parks like Yellowstone and Yosemite to the vibrant urban adventures found in cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago, there's something for everyone to enjoy. We've also delved into the rich history showcased at significant sites and the delicious culinary landscape that spans from New Orleans to San Francisco. We encourage you to explore these incredible destinations for yourself and create unforgettable memories along the way. Whether you're seeking relaxation on sun-kissed beaches, thrilling outdoor activities, or a taste of local culture, the USA has it all. If you enjoyed this journey and want to discover more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures and tips for your next getaway. Thank you for joining us, and happy travels.